I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable quiet delivery on your iPhone for notifications. So if you have certain apps that are too frequently notifying you about things, there are some things that you can do to make it not so often that you're getting these notifications. For example, if we're looking at this notification, I've got a couple spam calls here, but one from the calendar. Let's say I don't want calendar alerts that often, or most likely it would be some third-party app. But in this instance, we're going to take the calendar notification in the notification center, which we find from swiping down from the middle on the top. I'll swipe that to the left slightly. Don't do it too abrupt of a movement, but slightly move it over, and then we'll tap options. You can now click mute for 1 hour. You won't get any notifications for 1 hour. Mute for today, and you won't get any notifications for today. You can add it to summary, which is a setting that will summarize particular apps notifications a few different times in the day at set times, which we have another video about on our channel, which you can check out. It's called Notification Summary. And then if you want it to just deliver quietly, let's open up the settings. So click View Settings. And if we don't want to see these notifications at all, we can just tap the Allow Notifications button right there, and it will toggle off notifications so that they will not pop up for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.